students, it's me Dakshina. I'm here with my next video and we will continue today our questions and their solution. Today we will discuss values and skill complement each other. Elaborate. For success in any human endeavor, both values and skills are required. Explain. Or what do you mean by values? How do they differ from skills? How are values and skills complementary? Or explain how production skills and human values are complementary. Give two examples. Answer. Values means importance or participation and skills means qualities, training and capabilities. To fulfill our aspirations, both values and skills are necessary. When we identify and set the right goals and produced in right direction. This is known as value domain. The domain of wisdom. Basically, we must know what really is useful to achieve human happiness, the happiness to all and for all the time. And when we learn and practices to actualize this goal, to develop the techniques to make this happen in real life. In various dimensions of human endeavor, or you can say struggle, this is known as domain of skills. Hence, there is an essential complementary between values and skills for the success of any human endeavor. For example, I want to lead a healthy life. Only wishing for good health will not help me keep my body fit and healthy, and without having understood the meaning of health, I will not be able to choose things correctly to keep my body fit and healthy. So I have to learn the skills to achieve the goal of good health. Food to be consumed, the physical workout to be designed. So without knowing the meaning of good health, health cannot be achieved, and also it is necessary to make use of the goal to achieve the goal of the goal. Next question we can see, define self exploration. What is the content of self exploration? Answer is, self exploration is the process to find out what is valuable to me by investigating within myself. What is right for me, true for me, has to be judged within myself. Through self exploration, we get the value of ourselves. We live with different entities, family, friends, air, soil, water, trees, etc. And we want to understand our relationship with all these. For these, we need to start observing inside. The main focus of self exploration is myself, the human being. Content of self exploration is just finding answers to the following fundamental questions of all human beings. First is the desire or goal. What is my human desire or goal? What do I really want in life? Or what is the goal of human life? Program. What is my human program for fulfilling the desire? How to fulfill it? What is the program to actualize the above? In short, the above two questions cover the whole domain of human aspirations and human endeavor. Thus, they form the content of self exploration.